how can you stop the Apple Watch from turning on with movement, right? So if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tips and videos like this one. So of course, you can flick your wrist like that and the Apple Watch will likely be turned on and it will light up. And this can be changed in the Watch app on the iPhone by going to the display and brightness. And there is a toggle to wake on wrist raise. So this is the thing which you probably want to turn off. So when you flick your wrist, that way it means that, the watch doesn't light up. We also have the crown up, so you can also just have your screen like be black and start rotating the digital crown, and it will also slightly like light up. So if you don't like that, you can also disable it right here. But one more thing which I have to mention regarding this is that part of the general section still within these apps, you can find the watch orientation, and the wrist section is kind of important as well, because if you if you use your Apple Watch on the left wrist, for example, but have it set to the right wrist, then the wake screen, with the movement will not work properly. And sometimes it might turn on even if you don't want it to. So just make sure that you have it set up properly, and then only if you actually want to flick your wrist and look at the watch, it will light up, but it's not going to light up in other different movements. So yeah, just perhaps try to see how you have it set up for the best possible experience. But I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to set up your Apple Watch and change the thing that you wanted. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.